everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. The wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from UniWigs. This is the Penelope wig and she is a Remy human hair lace front wig. I'll go ahead and show you the cap. It has a top comfort cap and that's how it's described. I really love this cap. I can already tell you that just from trying it on, but it has this kind of fabric in the cap right here which provides extra comfort, and then it has lace from ear to ear, so that's going to be right here to right here instead of temple to temple. The color is described as a dark, rich brunette, and I have to agree with that. It's very, very dark, but not a 1B, not black. And it has these darker caramel highlights, dimensional highlights going throughout it. So it looks really pretty in the sun. You can definitely see that dimension there. But overall, just a very dark, dimensional brunette piece. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a low pony and a wig grip and get ready to put this on. I always like to brush out my wigs before putting them on, and it just kind of helps to prevent it from getting super tangly in the nape area. And here she is, with still has box hair, so it'll need to be styled a little bit later on, but definitely still really pretty. This is what the wig looks like right here. This is the color, like I was talking about, kind of that really rich brunette with those darker caramel highlights throughout. And that length I was talking about as well. It's a pretty good length. She is really gorgeous. I love the hair on this one. I will say that I have owned several UniWigs pieces, but the hair on this one feels higher quality, and I don't know if they changed their sourcing or did something, but this one does feel a little bit thicker. The ends feel a little bit thicker, and it just feels better. After washing and styling it, you could see exactly what it would look like, but so far my first impressions is that I'm pretty impressed with the way that the hair feels. The cap is super comfortable. That's probably one of my favorite things that I immediately noticed about this wig, is that it just feels like it fits your head, but it's super comfortable. There's nothing itchy, there's nothing pulling. It just feels fitted, but also soft at the same time. Another thing I like about this wig so far is that I can kind of run my fingers through it and move it to the side. And with all lace top wigs, you do have the ability to move the part. So even though it's a middle part right now, I could change it, but it's also nice that I can kind of just have this look where I can kind of bring it over a little bit and just give it more of a tousled look like you would with your own bio hair. This is just a basic clip right here, and then putting it in a half up, depending on, you know, how high and how low you want it. I think this hairstyle is super pretty. It's very elegant, and you can't see any of the wefts or anything. You just have to be really careful that you pull it back in a section that doesn't show the wefts. The last updo I'm going to do is to see how high I can actually get this wig into a ponytail. And keep in mind, this is just a regular wig. It's not a ponytail wig or anything like that, but with certain cap constructions, you can definitely get that height. And I still do have the tag on here, so I'm trying to be careful. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is how high I got the wig, and it's not a pony wig, it's just a regular wig, but this is how high it goes by itself up in the air. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a really great time just showing you this Penelope wig from UniWigs. If you have any questions on this wig, please leave them down below. Bye!